Oh dear.
What's happening?
Run! Do whatever you can to block the door. I'll go for help.
Lock the door? What's out there?
When did this movie suddenly decide to grow some balls?
Dementors!
That's bad.
We missed! It's moving towards Harry! It's making it worse!
That's bad.
None of us is hiding serious black under our cloaks.
Harry?
I think I don't know what that was.
It's not my dad.
What?
He sent the Dementors away. I saw him across the lake.
Listen, Harry, they've captured Sirius. Any minute the Dementors are going to perform the kiss.
You mean they're gonna kill him?
No, it's worse. Much worse. They're going to suck out his soul. Headmaster, you've got to stop them. They've got the wrong man.
It's true, sir. Sirius is innocent. It's Scabbers.
You've done it.
Scabbers? He's my rat,
He's
sir. He's
He's
not
not
really a
really a
rat. Well, he was a rat. He was my brother Percy's rat. But then they gave him out.
The point is, we know the truth. Please believe us.
I scream.
When did this movie suddenly decide to grow some balls?
But of course.
Is meaningless to those who've got how to listen. Mysterious thing, time. Powerful, and when meddled with, dangerous.
Nope, that too is incorrect. It was what are the Channel Islands?
When did this movie suddenly decide to grow some balls?
Time, if not the consequences are too ghastly to discuss. If you succeed tonight, more than one innocent life may be spared.
If not,
3 turns should do anything. Oh, by the way, when in doubt, I find retracing my steps to be a wise place to begin. Good luck.
buzzer.
To your basic Oxford.
Oxford.
Yeah, well, that's all right. Listen, the big good news is you won that 65.50.
You don't sound
Let's make
good.
the other
You
end.
don't sound good.
Altogether, $7,550. Yeah. Not a bad round at all.
Oh, not at all.
We'll be back. There's more to give away, and no one can worry. We're not talking to anyone in particular.
Closed captioning sponsored by
Oh no.
Now Monarchy provides more services for your car.